Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In the video yesterday, I outlined the scenario for a potential dip before the breakout toward 120K. But the big question today is, will it come faster than expected? Let's analyze the situation, and as always, watch this video until the end for maximum knowledge. I shared key levels that could be retested as part of this structure to establish prices higher than the last all-time high. In bull years, minus 15 to 20% pullbacks are normal. That means even a retest to 109.3K is still in range. Other important areas to monitor include 114.7K, 113.4K, 112K, the former all-time high, as well as 111 and 109.3K. If you missed the detailed breakdown, a pop-up should appear at the beginning of this video, and you can also find it linked in the description. Zooming into the 1-hour time frame, Bitcoin is currently consolidating after a strong upward impulse inside a descending triangle. We are seeing a bearish momentum divergence and weakening RSI strength, but price still holds above key support around 114K. This leaves room for both breakout and breakdown, and it's essential to monitor momentum shifts in volume confirmation closely. If you're a range trader, risk-managed entries near the triangle edges may be favorable. If you're waiting for confirmation, breakout traders should look for a clear move above 119K or below 114K. The resolution to this triangle pattern should happen by Monday at the latest. Until then, it's wise to stay patient and give this setup at least another 24 hours. Looking at the 1-week liquidation heat map, leveraged short positions using 50x have created a hot pocket of liquidation targets around the mid-119K range. On the other side, long leverage is building a cluster of potential liquidation levels down at 115.8K. These areas could act as triggers for violent moves if price spikes into them. Meanwhile, ETF inflows on Friday were spectacular once again. We saw $1.03 billion come in, nearly matching the $1.18 billion from Thursday. BlackRock dominated Friday's activity with $953.5 million in inflows, essentially carrying the whole day on its own. As for me, I am out of all trades right now and watching the chart very closely. If we get a confirmed breakout to the upside, I will be looking to enter along again. However, I am not planning to short in case we get another fake out or liquidity sweep in both directions. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.